To add videos from YouTube and create playlists on LangMagic, just follow these few simple steps. Press the setting button to either select an already existing playlist or create a new one by clicking Create Playlist. Select your target language, the language you're learning, and do the same for the native language, which is your mother tongue or any other language that you feel comfortable using while learning a new language. Name the playlist and click Create Playlist. For some language pairs, we have sample videos, so you might see an option to load them or just create the playlist from scratch. Now you're ready to add videos. To do that, you can use our Google Chrome extension. Click here to download the extension. Once it's downloaded and you're logged in on the website, go over to YouTube and choose any video of your choice. Make sure it has subtitles in your target language. Then next to the subtitles icon, you will find LangMagic's extension. Just click on it, and the video will be added to the currently opened playlist, which you can also modify. To find out how to use LangMagic's toolset for a more immersive learning experience, watch our other tutorials.